In this video, we're going to find values of c guaranteed by the mean value theorem. It says given the function of f of x equals negative 3x squared plus 7x plus 8 on the interval negative 2 to 5, find a point c between negative 2 and 5 so that it satisfies the mean value theorem. So first of all, we have to determine, is f of x continuous on negative 2 to 5? It's a polynomial, so yes. Is f prime of x differentiable on the open interval negative 2 to 5? Well, you get f prime of x would equal, if I take the derivative here, I get negative 6x plus 7. And that's a linear, so yes, differentiable. So now that we've looked at both of those things, what we have to do if we're going to use the mean value theorem is we have to say that we know there is a value c, so we know now that there's a value c that's an element of AB, so we're going to say negative 2, 5, such that f prime of c, which if I write f prime of c here, that'd be negative 6x plus 7, is equal to f of, in our case, we're going to label these f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. Now, we know what b and a are, so this is a, and this would be b. So we can go ahead and start plugging some stuff in. So first of all, f prime of c is negative 6x plus 7. So I can write negative 6x plus 7 is equal to f of b, which would be f of 5, minus f of negative 2, all over 5 minus negative 2. So then I'm going to have to go through and figure out what is f of 5 to start this. So we're going to write f of 5 here. I'm going to use the calculator to find that number, and I'm going to figure out what f of negative 2 is. So I'm going to plug those in the calculator. When I plug in f of 5, so plug in negative 3x squared plus 7x plus 8, and we're going to plug in 5. When I do that, I get negative 32. When I plug in negative 2, I get negative 18. So I have negative 6x, and I should, instead of using x here, that should have been c. I screwed that up. I changed f prime of c. That should have been negative 6c. So this should be c. This should be c. Plus 7 equals f of 5 is negative 32. Minus negative 18 for f of negative 2 over 5 plus 2, which would be 7. So let's go ahead and say that negative 6c plus 7 is equal to, let's add the 18, right? Negative 32 plus 18 should be negative 14 over 7. So you get negative 6c plus 7 is equal to negative 2. Subtract the 7, we get negative 6c is equal to negative 9. Divide by negative 6, c is equal to 3/2. So our c value, which is guaranteed by the mean value theorem because our function was continuous and differentiable on that open interval, our c value is guaranteed to be 3/2 here. And 3/2 falls within our negative 2 to 5 range.